Say we dropping Nori off at school. Hold on, I'm parking her stroller back here. This stroller. I got all these strollers back here. Nori got her Nike Fit pants with her fans. We taking her to her class. Say hi. Say hi. She happy. Wait. Look at her. You didn't cry today. Good morning, y'all. Why you eating people's food? You got the hiccups. You got the.
Cause they keep eating.
Cause he's smart.
That's from big.
Let me search that shit up.
Why?
No, dogs can get hiccups. Momo used to get hiccups.
Alright, let me go get him some water then.
I ain't drunk too much.
Come on.
How you drink water too fast? They don't even drink. They
Yeah, he be right there.
Come on, bro. Let's get you some
Oh,
water.
let's see what's wrong with them.
My baby tree. This tree look way better. That other tree was ugly as shit.
You want let it blow up. He don't
He
want
cool.
nothing. How you cool? He ain't even drink no water. If I still had, I miss my cat, bro. My cat would have been all in that motherfucker.
Oh, see, it is good now. He stopped.
He had the year.
Alright, that's cool.
It's just only that fat motherfucker.
Okay, you good? Good, big boy? You want some?
Buttercup, shut the fuck up.
Look at this light on. This light on.
Come on, let's go get this stuff. Come on. No. Let's go.
Benny, we want for Christmas. A bag of food.
And 2 thick cups.
Come here. Get over here. Come here. Come here. Why you got small? Come here. You got small.
The dog's fine.
Look at Look how you hopping. Look how you going.
We can
Eat edge.
Shut the buttercup.
I gotta get her a tree skirt.
Good boy. Come here. Sit.
He
Come
say
here.
you ain't come out. He trying to figure out what the fuck that tree is.
Come here. Sit. Sit. Sit.
You put around the tree up too?
No.
On your fucking butt, nigga.
That shit, he gonna get that shit
You
right.
gotta turn around you. Sit.
That's all. The third one.
Look, he gonna-
Huh?
he probably high. Look, he's stumbling and all
How
that.
much you got in this car? I just feel it.
Come here. Come here. Look, see?
What do you want? I ain't put another little motherfucking tree. Nah, for real. I spent $5 for that. Now you want it up. Now you want it. Boy, no. Those are no holes in this walls when it's time for me to go down to
Come on.
this shit and move somebody else in this shit. I'm not worried about it. Long as there's nothing with no holes in this shit. I'm not worried about this motherfucker. I'm just here. This about to go.
This look better. Yeah. This look way better. And then when I decorate it, it's gonna be better. The buffalo. Say hey. Hey, you can't put it down like that. Ouch! Y'all see Nori just beating me up. Say hi, vlog. Stop! Before you break the camera. It's already fragile. Say hi, vlog. It's Vlogmas. Say my crunchy ass father back there. Ah, you got your knee in my chest. She beating me up. Say we're gonna make breakfast. Breakfast. Say we're gonna make breakfast. Yeah, I got my butt. It's so messed up. We gonna come back when we making breakfast because Nori beating me up. Tea. Let me see. Say. Come here.
Let's show Elmo the way to get ready. This is the way that we get dressed.
You just gonna eat it. What's up, y'all? So I'm back from huh?
Ignored poop in the bathtub.
Okay, I'm about to go get her. So okay, I gotta go check and see what I put into, but it's Saturday, October 6th. It's 11:12 a.m. Today we on the agenda is to go down the wharf to the little Christmas light parade or whatever thing they got going on. So we had breakfast. We had toaster strudels and bacon. Nori had a bottle. She had banana oatmeal, which she chose out her box. And she had a hash brown. She didn't eat her hash brown yet. It's sitting on the stove. She went there when she got the tub. She in the tub right now. The thing down the wharf don't start till 5, but right now I'm about to clean up this room because it looks a mess. I'm about to show y'all. Closet looks a mess. Nori high chair thing everywhere. It's clothes on the bed. It's just looking terrible in here. So I'm gonna clean up. I'm about to clean up while Nori in the tub if she didn't just poop. And then after that, the boys are here. Riley and Shy. They gonna take their shower. Then I'm gonna take my shower if I want to take a shower, and we gonna get ready to go. We probably leave out like 4-ish to get down there by 5, so we can see everything and pack our snacks up and everything. So y'all about to see all that, do all that with us. So make sure y'all stay tuned to this video. This is the first Vlogmas video y'all gonna begin of December. So make sure y'all enjoy and make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, put notifications on because we're back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Right now it's currently, I'm tired. I should have took a nap before I went out, but it's currently 2:39. The things start at 5. I already told y'all. So I'm about to finish straightening up the room. I straighten up a lot for the most part. I'm about to pick these little last bit of pieces of stuff up that's on the floor up, and then Nori is excuse me, Nori right there, she's asleep. She ended up falling and getting a little knot on her head right here. Let me see if I can show y'all. See right here, she has a little knot. Oh, she turned her head, but it's on the other side of her head. I'm about to finish clearing the nightstand off, the little bit of stuff on the floor. I am making something to eat before I leave, so I don't really gotta spend no money on no food. I'm making some fried shrimp and fries. I'm about to pack her diaper bag too while I'm at it. I'm gonna just Pampers and wipes, change her clothes. I'm gonna take her 2 blankets to put on, probably 3. Let me see what the weather is out there. It's 41. It say it feels like 38. So yeah, I'm gonna take her 2 blankets, a big fluffy one, then her Miss Rich one that she like, and then I'm gonna take her some snacks, and then her bottle with her milk in it. It should be good because it's cold, so her milk will stay cold. But yeah, we're gonna go down there for the night, the evening, and yeah, y'all wanna come with us. So next time I come back, y'all, we either gonna be putting our coats on to leave out, getting ready, or we gonna be outside already on our way there. So yeah, I'm just tuning, checking back in here and there because I started this at like 11 and it ain't start till 5. So yeah, y'all, we here. It's all these people everywhere. We just came out the station. Ooh. Wait. Oh, here they go. But y'all, we at the wharf. I convinced. They go Riley. Shot me back there. And the baby is right here in her stroller. We just got down here though. We about to cross, walk down some more, cross right here. Walk down. No, let's go right here. Look at them. They both look like Ninja Turtles with the motherfucking ski masks on, y'all. It's cold. It wasn't cold when we first walked out, but now that we out here, it's just like
Just
cold.
Swiss cheese, some shit, yeah.
We waiting for it to be out. Like, go press the thing, the arrow. No, we came out. We waiting. It's for the light, so we could cross. When we get right there, I'm gonna see. They got Santa. Huh? They got, hold on, wait. They got right here, you can take a picture. Fish and chips, and they go Hell's Kitchen behind you. Everybody taking a picture with Santa right here. The line.
We can come take a trip down here.
Yeah. Y'all, right now we standing in line to get some s'mores. We in the s'mores line. They right here. You come right here to do your s'more thing. It's, hold up, let me turn this way. There's so many people out here, but we just trying to get the s'mores. I'm trying to see how much. Well, I don't even care how much. I just want to do s'mores. So once I get the kit, I'ma come back when it's time for me to roast my marshmallow. Say hi. Y'all, we found us a seat. And I'm sitting in Nori's stroller. Hold on. I'm sitting inside of Nori's stroller because I need a seat. Say hi, bud. But the parade started at 7 and it's all these people everywhere just waiting. They say this the best area for the parade, so that's why everybody crowded right here. Nori wants to say something. Say something. You want something to say? I'm surprised I could sit in Nori's stroller. Nori was whining at first. Hopefully she liked the boat parade. She don't like being outside. I should have bought some headphones for her. I wasn't even thinking, but when the parade starts, y'all, we gonna come back. They Olaf look a little deformed.
Oh, look at her.
They got the Grinch. Ooh. Jamie, get up.
This is number 62 with Captain Chris Ruff. The name is Ship Show. We're the beat. Extra light work going on there. Number 28 with Captain Chris. It's the Hot Mess Express. A 40-foot.
Riley, stop.
Making their way up backstage, number 32. This is Captain Tom, and their boat is called.
Wait, you gotta go back. You know what you thought? Say hi.
Hi, it's Bethany, and here's Grenlin with boat number 44. Hold on to your hot cocoa. Here comes the infant.
Nori, if that bottle goes, put it on the table.
Officially boosted to ludicrous level.
It's a no remote. Say hi. You see yourself on the camera? Stop trying. I'm gonna make it fall. Say hi. Lori is trying to get her gloves on. I'm tired of them two now, but I'm so tired.
Firework.
Lori loves. Lori, you gotta. Say. That's 61.
Love the hat. That's a Grinch fan in the house. Welcome in number 68 from Captain Jason. This is Grace Joy. From Columbia Island. Holiday Llamas is the theme. That's sparks fly on the water. That's fantastic. Thank you so much. And now we go to boat number 25. Captain Kurt.
Lori, look what you did. This boat's tiny.
Why are you so small?
Number 52, Captain Kirill Martin on Dream, a 47-foot power boat out of National Harbor with the theme of the Grinch. Number 71, making their way up next. Jan Waters, just add Waters, for Captain Jan Waters, boat from Goose Bank. Our voters, our voting community are out there all day long today, bringing so much holiday joy to all of us here on the pier. Much love to all of our voters. Now let's see another one, shall we?
I get it back.
On boat number 69, it's a 30-foot power A-liner out of Columbia Island. Take it away on 69.
Parking is available to the
Y'all look at all of these that star people. But anyway, look at all these people.
They got it all going on up there. All the way from Prince William Marina as well. You can't take that thing on your fire. You have to go up
All the way
down and back to get over here.
over
Thank you so
there.
much for joining us tonight.
And then you just go down. There's people everywhere. I don't know how many boats we seen, but they still coming. Uh-oh, hold on. There we go. Lori right here eating yogurt milk. She eat these. They good. Y'all, I don't know if y'all heard me in the other clips, but I'm finna show y'all something real crazy, dangerous, stupid shit that they put right here. So where we standing at right here, hold on, let me zoom out. Y'all see these little benches right here? So they everywhere basically. Let me show y'all. Where all these people sitting right here is all like water. I'm about to zoom in so y'all can see. Y'all see how they sitting? It's real live, no gates. So if you fall and smack in the water. That's so dangerous and stupid. I hope everybody can swim. Take your socks off. Oh my God. Riley, get your knee socks. Huh?